Everyone, my name is Maina. I am studying 8th standard in PMC ZPHS Ganneruvaram school. Today I am conducting an experiment understanding the nature of friction and the concept of static friction. The materials are weight hanger, toy trolley, small wooden block, pulley, weights and string. Now we have to add the more weight to the toy trolley because the toy trolley wheels are less friction. Now I have added the 50 grams to the string. I am doing the experiment. I just add 50 grams to the string. What happened you can observe. Leave it. Static friction of the toy trolley is 100 grams. What will happen? The trolley is moving. Okay.
Public.
Just remove the weights. I'm put the wooden block on the toy trolley. I just leave the toy trolley. Weights on the. I just remove the weights. Keep on the table. I put the wooden block on the toy trolley. I just leave the toy trolley. The toy trolley is moving very fast. The wooden block is fall on the table. What happens to the wooden block? Wooden block falls on the table. What is the reason? Because of static friction of wooden block. Even though there is an external force acting on object, it will be rest. This type of friction is known as static friction.